Updating the installation, part 2 here with the Halo install. I've got the lights installed, but now I just need to wire the Halo ring, the power relays. I've done the driver's side, but now I'm going to finish up with the passenger side. So now I just got to find the wire, and it's the continuation wire from the other side. It's a black wire with a yellow stripe. So I'll cut into here and coming off the parking lamp and tie into there. Okay, so I fished out all the wire from the parking lamp. I just pulled that through the bulkhead, and here are the two wires at the end of the stream here. I got the black and yellow wire, and then also the blinker wire, which is white with a green stripe. And I'll be tying into the power for the parking lamp. All right, these are the power wires for the Halo relays, and the connector to the Halo itself is coming off the headlamp, and it's just a plug and play where this plugs into the headlamp. And then this end is the end that I'll be tying into the car itself. The red wire, I'll scab into the parking lamp wire off the car, and then I'm just gonna wire the black wire to ground. And that way it'll match the driver's side, which I already have set up. And in that configuration, with the red wire connected to the power wire on the parking lamp and this on the ground, the halos will cut off when I go to low beam or high beam. And then when I'm in parking setting on my switch, then I'll have the halos illuminated. Okay, the first thing I need to do is find the ground to tie in the black wire to the car ground. And as you can see, here's a good spot right here, and that'll be the best spot for me to tie into. I'm just gonna attach this lead here to the end of the black wire to make it an easier connection. I've managed to wire the grounds. So the two blue pins are my two most recent grounds for the Halo power relays. Next stop, tie it into the black and yellow parking lamp wire with the red wire off the power relays from Halos. Alright, better to ask for forgiveness than permission. So I'm not an electrician, but this is what I'm doing. I'm going to use these splice connectors to splice into the black and yellow wire, and then I'm going to feed into the dead stop the red power wire for the Halo relays. Worked on the driver's side, so I should work on the passenger side. We'll see. All right, my assistant wasn't with me today, so I had no one to man the camera while I wired those together, but that is connected. So it's all spliced in, and now I'm just going to tuck the wires away, put the battery back in and test it and see if everything's good, and then I'll tape it up and be good to go. And eureka, it works. Okay, it's all wired up. Now I just gotta clean it up and go for a test drive.